Hey everybody, welcome back to part 2 of the gauge cluster build. Today we have the gauge cluster cut out and trimmed, and I have to cut out each one of the gauge holes. This is going to be attack, oil pressure, temperature, boost, a couple more things. So it's all cut out, trimmed up, fit really nice in the truck. So I've been just trying to figure out where to put each gauge, and I think I got a pretty good handle on it. So I gotta leave room over here for the speedometer, and I'm gonna order one of those soon. Other than that, we're ready to cut some holes. All the holes are cut out for the gauges. Now I just have to put each gauge in, tighten it up, and fit it on the truck, see what it looks like. So this is basically what it's going to look like. I'm really happy with it. I got a little bit of room left right here for the speedometer, and there is room for one more gauge right here maybe. And I'm thinking about putting my signal lights right here, and maybe a blue one here somewhere for a high beam indicator. So that's turned out pretty sweet actually.